Should we go a little bit more Ooga Booga? This is so dumb. Okay, what am I playing against? Against Zed? Ooh, I think Zed is going to hurt so much. I mean, they're like, this is like... So against squishies, you can either go pure penetration and glass cannon, or you go the battle bird, either with grasp or with a normal precision keystone, and you go rift maker and more HP, and then you're just unbelievably beefier. So those are the options that you have. Do we just go glass cannon here? I think this is a glass cannon game. Everyone is squishy. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Ingenious Hunter for the Storm Surge. Mana flow because we don't have mana. Do I go Ignite? I really like Conquer against that, to be honest, though. Whatever, let's rock this. Let's see how it feels. Now the question only remains, I don't know, like the wider and longer mid lane now makes it so much better for Azir to actually run down people. Which is why I'm thinking I probably might just end up dropping Hail of Blades in favor of Conqueror against Assassins again. Because with that, for instance, I can just run down. He lost one melee over XP here. Am I playing with actual Emerald players? Like, the account should have Diamond MMR. Like, the rank is Emerald, but it should have, like, Diamond MMR, no? What is this guy doing? Oh, tower aggro already here? Remember when I shuffled the A-Soul all the way down here and he didn't get aggro? Yeah, if I had Conqueror Ignite, I would completely shit on this guy. Yeah, what was that random ZQ? Yeah. You have no idea how much I wish I had Conqueror. But we're gonna have to make this work now. Hell, even Lethal Tempo is nice against that. Minions? Minions dealing negative damage. As per usual. Takes them 5 years to finally aggro on the target that is hitting me. Already used to that as per usual. Only Azir gets minion aggro. Right? We already all used to that. Let's grab a control board.
Who denies our right to rule?
Only buying a book feels bad. So now's the question, do I go Shadow Flame first? There's so much vision, holy crap. Got the minion wall. The obstructing minion wall, dude, holy moly. Storm Surge or Shadow Flame first? I feel like I want to go Shadow Flame.
Shurima's legacy will endure.
I really don't want to bother with this boring gameplay. Push your dumb wave. You got this, boss. I mean, the minion block is something else so far. Like, the minion block is crazy what's happening. My goodness. Somehow he's level 6 before me. Alright, let's crush this out. I really can't decide. Wait, Shadow Flame is even giving 12 magic pen. Ooh, alternator 50 AP here. Let's try Shadow Flame first. It's 20 more AP, that means consistently more damage. And it's more magic pen. And like, one of the ideas is also that when you proc Storm Surge on somebody that's lower HP, the strike effect from Storm Surge is going to be amplified by Shadow Flame. Because Shadow Flame increases magic and true damage. And the Storm Surge effect is magic damage. Oh, there's a new elevation angle. It starts sooner or something. It is a little bit sad they have a Rengar in the team. Dude, Rengar can never gank me ever again. This is so crazy. Like, these brushes, oh my lord. Oh, but people can hug this wall, and this ward is not going to. Ooh, interesting. Is this guy playing like this? Oh, damage, dude. Very cool. Okay, he's back. Just a numbers game. Easy money. Alternator is such a nice item now. It is amazing. It is actually amazing. 50 AP, and the burst damage, whatever it has, is even higher than it was before. It is such an amazing item. I do not feel like I need Nashor's, by the way. Compared to Luden's penetration and Luden's build path, this feels so strong. This build path feels amazing. By the way, this build path feels insane. I do not feel like I need Nashor's. Obviously, we do not have the attack speed, but as of now, this feels incredible. Like, it's best support item in game. Yeah, like the poke is insane. Like, the base damage is crazy. Oh my god, I don't even need to help my team. Wait, I didn't help with the grubs. This is crazy, bro. This is so insane. Thanks our team, by the way. Nice, good job. This is so cool, man. I recently started playing Azir and came across your stream. Love the gameplay, learned a bunch about Azir. Yorisk98. Love to hear that, my friend. Thanks for letting me know, bro. Hope I can become your go-to source to learn stuff about Azir. Hope I can become that. And I'm trying my best to become that. Also, since 3 days ago, consistent daily and bi-daily, daily or bi-daily uploads on the YouTube, so also make sure to sub to the YouTube as well. Yup. Lovely. Appreciate the kind words, lovely to hear that. Always puts a smile on my face, appreciate it a lot. Also Jin Ryu, appreciate the follow, my guy, and welcome to the Shuriman Empire. Fun fact, if he ults me there, I'm actually dead. But I don't... but he doesn't know that. What is bro cooking? I mean, Rengar is alive. I would love this tower, but I have to go. Okay, I'm telling you, Halo of Blades Shadow Flame does feel nice. Oh, this feels so much better than Storm Surge first. Because I had one game, we played one game and we were doing relatively well. And I was also playing Halo of Blades and I got to Storm Surge. Holy fuck, I can buy another one? Oh my god, I can buy another one. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so crazy. This is so strong. Is this main? No, this is my diamond account. I'm not gonna play my main for the next couple days for sure. There is no way I'm gonna be playing my main in the beginning of the season. Gonna be limit testing and grinding out here. I mean, maybe we get this account in the meantime all the way to master, who knows. Maybe we can quickly figure out really strong item combinations that people are not expecting. I'm gonna get this account all the way to like... That's so much damage. This is insane. This is also more armor penetration than Luden's would have done, by the way. Because this gives me 12 flat magic penetration. Luden's as a first item was only giving you 6. So only when you had one legendary item and Luden's, meaning 2 items, only then you were looking at 11 flat magic penetration. But now you go just Shadow Flame as a very first item and you're already looking at 12 flat magic penetration. That's insane. This feels like Bronzer, yeah, this set is not really good. I said it in the beginning when he tried landing the Shuriken level 1 wave. Alright. Yeah, I used to play jungle and top but got tired of it. Since I don't have as much time to game lately, I'd rather have fun and Azir is a fun champ. Mechanically my Azir is decent, but macro-wise I still have a lot of learn. Interesting. Nice, Brody. Well, welcome to the Shuriman Empire, my guy.
But you must witness.
What up, Aphiliophobia? How's it going, my guy? Yo, do you have an ad right now? Aphilio?
All eyes look to us.
I need to know right now if you're seeing an ad. No, why? Okay, interesting. Just to know, because right now there's an ad break running, but you just chimed into the stream. And the ad breaks are... usually, they serve the purpose that when you come newly into the stream, that you don't get an ad. Which is why I was curious now if even new viewers that are come in are seeing the hard scheduled ads.
Join me and meet the elevated.
Rampage. Shut down. Double kill.
Team's having a blast. But I like never get ads, never ever okay, because you're running ad blocks.
There is
Your
no
team has destroyed a turret. Rampage.
order is given.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
This feels really interesting. You know what? I think Shadow Flame first is a really good item. And I think you won't have to be playing. But you're taking my kill. I didn't get the last hit. 1 HP, never like you.
An enemy has been slain.
Let me ask you something. Are junglers starting bot side clear or do they start top side? I am unaware, but objectively the way the map is supposed to be working now is that top lane is supposed to be even more of an island now, and bot lane is more opened up for both sides, so junglers should be starting top side and path down bot.
Everyone will know the name Shurima.
That is like the initial thought process by Riot. But at the end of the day, how things are going to pan out is up to the players and up to the meta. I think we're going to get a clearer image of what's supposed to be and how things are within the coming days. Be careful here. Orangia, appreciate the follow, my guy, and welcome to the Shuriman Empire.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Yeah, that's why I asked, because I will not leash a single time for people who will start clear bot side. This is a new drift angle. This drift angle is a bit more difficult now. I tried it on PBE. Actually, I'm curious. Can I get it? Yeah, this became more difficult. This one still works from here to here. But I would love this works. This is difficult. This drift angle should work. But don't take my word for it. That's just the objective reasoning from Riot Games. But at the end of the day, how it pans out, we do not know. Because there's also the Void Grubs now that are spawning quite early into the game, and some junglers might prefer, maybe junglers like 12F, might prefer to pan towards them, so they want to work for top lane priority to get those. Because they give you so much pushing power. Should we go a little bit more Ooga Booga? This is so dumb. He jumps at me, then he's running away. What? That was so awkward. I don't know where Zed is, I don't want to die to Zed. I think these things are from the Infernal Soul, and they give movement speed. Yo, the cloth armor diff, by the way. There was actual cloth armor diff, bro. Holy shit. Do we wait 50 gold? Ah, whatever, I don't want to make you guys wait. Okay. Cat needed his time to man up, only to get fucked. Yeah, on Bell that makes a lot of sense, but that's kind of easy to take. Yeah, I mean, I think early game junglers, I think if early game junglers will have a place, if they will have a place in the current meta, I think they will prefer to path topside. I mean, our opponents are genuinely pathing a little bit like we're playing in silver. I don't know, this is my diamond account. I have no idea why people have like this overlooking movement and stuff. I really do not understand it. I mean, yeah, from here, what do we build next? Let's just go more Ooga Booga. Oh my god, the 400 gold. The 400 gold amplifying tome is so nice. Oh my god. Never again buying something, having 400 gold over, and needing to wait for another 35 gold. Oh my god, this is such an amazing change. Oh my... Mwah. Mwah. Chef's kiss, right? Chef's kiss. I mean, Nashers at this point now, after 3 items, feels quite mandatory, just so I can basically DPS everyone to death. But let's just see and experiment. I mean, I'm also crazy fat. But yeah, the damage is kind of funny. He has time to get it even pathing towards bot. Yeah. Zhonya's and Banshees now give 120. Yeah, I know. That's why I kind of want to go ban. Like Zhonya's, this is a good Zhonya's game. He gives 120 AP. Yeah. Damn. Screwed that up, my bad boys. But hey, that was a nice game.